Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to learn about oil bubble experiment. So for this unit, a glass of water, salt and oil. So first we take the glass of water, then fill the oil. Next, put the salt. Sprinkle the salt. The science behind this is when you pour the oil into the water, it does not mix because oil has low density than the water. When you sprinkle the salt, it sinks. It sinks with the oil. When it dissolves, it releases the oil and it goes back up to the top. So this is like a effect. This is like a dancing effect. This is magical, but it's science. Thank you. Bye. See you on next video.